Hello. We are trying our level best to improve our classroom teaching with the help of technology. As you can see, once we become tech savvy and learn to consider technology as our friend just like we do for our textbooks, then we really begin to enjoy teaching. Once we let technology enter our teaching, a whole world of new possibilities opens up. To name a simple example here, we can think of our mobile phone. In order to be able to dial a number, we start using our mobile phone. Then we gradually start using the camera, video recording, audio recording, internet, WhatsApp, and so on. Once we decide to integrate technology into the process of learning, teaching, evaluating, we can use our fantasy, apply it, and make learning for students fun. Nowadays, a new concept is coming across the globe, that is flipped classroom. Means what? All that our students and we used to do in a classroom so far will now be done at home, and in the actual classroom we will study collectively. Let's see, what do we do in a classroom? We learn concepts, read and get things explained and so on. And what is expected to be done at home? Self-study. This self-study requires one to think, discuss, find out answers and write them. This is where students lag behind many a time, because not everyone is capable of thinking alone. They need a group or teachers like you and me. Therefore, this new concept of flipping the process is now taking shape. Meaning homework will be classwork and classwork will be homework. Of course, thereby one needs to mix both learning and teaching in an effective blend. Let us take an example. Suppose we are going to teach a classification of plants in the class. We now have learned making videos. Using this, we can give the students a presentation or a video and ask them to watch it at home. Then in the classroom or on field, we can let them make observations. When we give students a task, their brain works with more awareness. They will have questions like which of these plants are unicellular and which ones are multicellular, or which ones are autotrophs and which ones are heterotrophs. They will discuss with each other and we can make that happen. If they get stuck, we can explain. With this education pattern, the students will never forget any concept. This itself is the epistemological teaching method. Do try this experiment of the flipped classroom for your class.